Hello everyone, this is the Husken Raiders, and I am very excited because this is my very first video I've ever done on YouTube, or anything for that matter. So what we are going to do this time is we're going to be showing you how to make two different kinds of anti-aircraft machine, which is what you see here. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you're going to need is a redstone repeater, a piston, a button, a redstone comparator, a lever, a polished andesite, a water bucket, and a redstone. And of course you're also going to need a dispenser, but I specially set up this dispenser so it has NBT data on it, so that everything already has pre-TNT inside. So let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is do that, but then do that. Go and put a piston on top of the side that doesn't have redstone on it. Put a block on the back so that you can go and put a lever on it and turn it on. Now go and put water in the center. That is very important. If you don't go and do that, your whole thing will blow up. Now go and make a 3x3 block and go and put a redstone comparator in the center. Now you can go and put a redstone dust to the left or the right, doesn't matter, and then do one in front of the one you just put down and in front of the redstone comparator. Now you're also going to want to attach it to the things, and now go and put a button down and start building up. So now you're going to want to put redstone here and put 3 redstone repeaters here. So what these do is it goes and the higher the tick, the further the range for it, but some variations of it make it scatter, which is where the prime TNT that's up in the air goes and shoots other prime TNT that hasn't quite blown up yet, and it flings it everywhere. If it has too much scatter, it can blow up stuff that you don't want it to blow up. So I'm just going to go set it to full because that's not a variation. One of the worst variations that I found was 322. So now you're going to go and make a little ring around the piston. Go and put redstone here and every corner except for that one. Do not, and I repeat, do not put anything right there. In fact, that's just a better thing to do. Waste less blocks. So now you're going to want to go and put dispensers on each of the sides. And put redstone on this one, but then for the rest of them you're going to go and put redstone repeaters on it. And what that's going to do is it's going to go and do the scatter. Now this doesn't make it scatter all that much, so this isn't going to destroy anything. And that's the first one, as you can see. It's the same. So when you go and press it, so this is probably for either someone's slime planing across or if someone's elytring. That was the scatter. So now on to the second one. So you're going to do a 3x1 without any corners of dispensers and put water in the center. Now for this one you're not actually going to need a piston or a lever. So now go and put redstone on top of all of it. And put 2 redstone dust at either side, put a redstone comparator, turn it on, put 2 redstone here, put redstone behind it, and a button. Now what you're going to want to do is go and put 2 blocks in front of it, as many dispensers as there are, as many blocks as there are dispensers, not the side, because you can make this longer, you just can't make it thicker. So put the dispenser in all the blocks pointing up, put one to the left or the right, doesn't matter. Then go and Put some redstone over here. Put a repeater. This is the range. Put a comparator, turn it on, and go and attach it to the entire thing. And that is it for this gun. I like to call it the shotgun because it has so many shrapnels. So you can blow this one up if you want by, actually you can blow any of them up. This one works a lot better. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to make this world messy. You just go and put down a lever and post to the button, hold on. If you have it only on one tick, it doesn't blow itself up. It just does a bunch of stuff around it. But, so yeah, that concludes episode 1. I hope you enjoyed. Please put in the comments which one you liked better, and that is all.